Okay guys, let's do a video on proving inverse functions. So here's number 19 from a current worksheet, and basically our goal is, if they give you two functions, can you prove that they're inverses of each other? And we're just going to do it basically one textbook way, and it goes like this. Okay, I'm basically going to take one function and put it inside the other function and see what happens. Okay, so what we're really doing here, guys, is g of f of n. And some teachers will have you do it both ways, where you'll do f of g, not just g, but I'm just going to require you to do it one way, just to understand the process. Okay, so we're doing g of f of n. In other words, I'm going to do g in red here. Do you agree g is 2 over something n minus 2? 2 over n, in other words, n represents what we're going to plug in, minus 2, right? And what we're going to replace n with is function g, which I'm going to do in yellow. See how I literally put function f. See that function f right there? Right inside function g. And now it's just a matter of simplifying this. So we actually have to go back, guys, to something you learned in elementary school with fractions. So follow along here. So 2 is really being divided by this, which is 2 over n plus 2. That's what that fraction means, right? 2 divided by 2 over n plus 2. And what did you learn in elementary was, you knew that you also could make it into a 2 times the reciprocal of that, right? So that would be n plus 2 over 2. And so what happens is 2 divided by 2 is 1. And so this whole mess, follow the green, becomes simply just n plus 2. And we have still a minus 2 at the end. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So we just simply have n. And so therefore, what did we do? We took one function, put it inside the other, and we got just the variable n. Therefore, we know, yes, they are inverses of each other. So pause the video. Okay, let's do the last one, number 20. So again, what am I going to do? I'm going to take the h function in yellow, and I'm literally going to put it into my red function, f, in red. Put one function inside the other. So here's actually function f, negative 7 times something minus 6 divided by 4. Now, what are we going to put in for that something again? We're going to put in function h, right? Negative 4n minus 6 over 7. Let's see what happens. Isn't negative 7 over 7 just simply negative 1? And let's just go ahead and simplify the numerator here. I have negative 1 times negative 4n, which is 4n. Negative 1 times the negative 6 is positive 6. I also have a minus 6 at the end. That's all divided by the denominator 4. Well, isn't 6 minus 6 0? So now we're down to 4n over 4. Isn't 4 divided by 4 1? So I'm left with simply 1n again. And so what did I do is I plugged one function again inside the other, and I just got the variable n back, right? So are they inverses? Yes, they are. And that's how you prove if a function is an inverse.